Hello, third actor. This short video will demonstrate how to share your screen in Zoom. You can see I'm in Zoom right now. You can see the Zoom toolbar across the bottom. Before you decide to share your screen, you want to be sure that what you want other people to see on your Zoom call is open on your computer. Then you come and you click on Share Screen. I'm going to share this St. Patrick's Day card that I just was working on. So I'm going to click here to share it. Anything that has sound that you want other people to hear, you be sure to click Share Sound. And then you click Share. And now you're sharing your screen. And you can see your Zoom toolbar moves to the top. It says you are screen sharing. It tells you you're sharing sound. And if you click the down caret, it shows you exactly what everybody else is seeing. So you take time to either share your video or maybe share a document, work on it, and when you want to stop sharing, click on Stop Share. And you're back in Zoom. Hope this helps.